Welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another how-to video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to peel a pineapple. But before I do that, I'm going to share with you how do I know when my pineapple is ripe. So some people may say that if you pull the stem of the pineapple and you're able to remove it, then it's good to go. For me, I look for other things as well. I want to make sure that my pineapple has a deep golden yellow color from top to bottom. I look for that because that's one sign to know if it's ready or not. Another thing that I may look for to see if my pineapple is ready to be cut would be to hold it, and you want to put a little pressure. You want to kind of put a little pressure with your thumb. If you're able to squeeze a little bit, then you know that your pineapple is ready to go as well. Another way that I'm able to tell is the bottom. Smell the bottom of your pineapple. If you smell a sweet fruity smell, then that's another indicator that your pineapple is ready to go. So let's get started. You need a chopping board, a sharp knife, and you want to lay it down just like I'm doing here. Lay it on the side. You want to cut through your pineapple. Hold it nice and sturdy because it's very hard when you're pressing, so put a little pressure onto your knife to cut through the top of the pineapple first. After you've done that, then you want to remove that out your way for extra space. Now you want to cut the bottom of your pineapple just like you did the top. Okay, just like that. Now take a look at the color of that pineapple. Very pretty. Now after that, put it upside like this on the bottom, and now cut right through just like this. Now after you've cut that, look at these dark spots. These are called the eyes of the pineapple. So you want to cut behind these eyes to get rid of all of it, because if you don't, then you'd have to go back over the pineapple to remove them, and that can be very tedious at times. So I just cut behind just like this to get it in one go, just like this. Move those out my way and cut through again. Now I'm still applying pressure, so now let's take a look. Right here I left behind a few of those little eyes that I was telling you about, so just cut them away just like that if that happens to you. So imagine if we didn't do that in one go, we would have to do this all over the pineapple, and that's what I'm saying could be very tedious. Now lay it down just like this, cut through. Let's slice it in this just like this. Put in a little pressure still, because the core of the pineapple is very hard at times. Now let's move this out the way. Now that's the core of the pineapple, and that's the place that I'm saying that is sometimes hard and it's not fun eating that part, so we want to remove it. You could use a cookie cutter to remove that. If you don't have a cookie cutter, you could just use a knife just like I'm doing here, and to cut the core away and discard the core just like that. So that's the hard part. So remove that, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing with all my pieces, and this is what the end result look like. A nice big bowl of juicy pineapple.